Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data science applications with Clorox easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale data science applications with Clorox, begin by understanding the problem domain. Identify the specific data science application you wish to scale. Gather all relevant data and assess its quality. Next, clean the data to ensure accuracy. Once the data is clean, explore it to uncover useful insights. Utilize Clorox's cloud platform to store and manage your data. Set up the necessary environment for your data science tools. Implement version control to track changes in your code. Leverage Clorox's machine learning models for predictive analytics. Train your models on a subset of the data to test their accuracy. Once satisfied with the model, expand the training dataset for better scalability. Use Clorox's APIs to integrate your model into existing applications. Monitor the performance of your deployed models in real time. Collect feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Iterate on the model based on the feedback and performance metrics. Finally, document your findings and processes for future reference. This will ensure a smoother scaling process next time around. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.